Hi, everybody. Well, the Oscar party turned out to be way different than what I planned it to be. And like the channel we were watching, we hardly got to see any of the pretty dresses, and we were watching the channel the Oscars was on. Basically, the Oscar party was hauled off, and I'd gotten plowed in. Apparently, there's a new prerequisite for being a plow truck driver in this town. You must do copious amounts of drugs or something. So everybody on my side of the block got plowed in. So I was out there shoveling some snow. Because, you know, eventually I have to go somewhere, like today. And my neighbor down the block said, she came up and she was like, do you want me to help you? I said, nah, this is just the first layer. I'm not going to try to do it all at once. And so she said, are you going anywhere? And I said, no, but if you need something, you know, when I do go, I'll call. And she said, hey, what are you doing tonight? Do you want to watch the Oscars with me? And it's like all other Oscar parties had gotten canceled due to weather. And I was like, I would love to. She was so sweet. She made pulled beef, like barbecue sandwiches. We had coleslaw, and had something, some fried potatoes. And it was a lovely night, and she was very sweet, and I thanked her, and she said, no, thank you, because she loves the Oscars, and I told her that next year, if weather permits, that I would be glad to invite her along to go to one with me, and she was like, yay! So, what's been going on? I've just been staying home. As a matter of fact, yesterday I just was like, I think I'll sleep and watch TV all day. I loved it. I loved it. Because, again, not sleeping well. I need to get back with the oily prepper. And she's offered to send me some oils, and it's like, I'll try them. I'll try them. Maybe I should just make a chat room online for, you know, all the YouTube ladies that can't sleep, and then y'all can just go in there and chat with each other. And I could join you too. I'll look into it. It's not a bad idea. I was kind of joking, but might not be a bad idea. Let's see. Of course, the movie I did that I wanted to win didn't win the Oscars. I wanted The Theory of Everything about Stephen Hawking's. Of course. If you know me, you could have guessed that one. So basically, I think that the blizzard is gone till tomorrow night. It's going to start up. So I have to get some medicine, buy some kind of food. I don't know what. I don't know. I'm drinking a drip that is interpreted to I'm drinking a breakfast drink. So I'm going to get with that. Oh, and you know, I set on one pair of glasses, and the other pair, the screw just fell out. So somebody said, why don't you just call them? So I called them, readers.com. And the lady didn't really want to know why I was calling even to complain. They are so sweet. She just wanted my order number. I gave it to her, and she said, we will send you a new pair, and you should be getting it in 3 days. It's like, you know, so I highly recommend, if you want some different style glasses than what you can buy at the drugstore, to go to them. Both pairs were around $15. Shipping was more than reasonable. So I highly recommend them. Well, get back to you. I forgot to say, I went to the dentist, and it was weird, because it felt like he was, he put this brace, a mold around my tooth and fixed it, rebuilt it up, I don't know. And it's so funny, because it's like, I go back in another 2.5 months. I'm telling you, I live at my dentist. I need to, I take them cupcakes all the time. to say thank you for them being so sweet. Well, I thought about putting makeup on briefly, and I don't care. I need to do some running around. I just got a phone call, so I need to also run by and see a friend real fast. And I'm still drinking my breakfast drink. So, guess we'll go to Walmart, because it's not warm outside. I can keep groceries in my trunk all day. Trust me, all day. Okay. I'm trying to get with it. I'm trying to even act with it, and I'm not doing a very good job. I'm here at Walmart. It's really busy today. I guess everybody's taking advantage of the sunshine. So maybe there'll be people at Walmart. I'm not holding my breath. I swear. Maybe there'll be 12 people instead of 10. I'll show you. I'm looking, you know, for those scrubby sponges, and I thought they were here, but this is all cotton. I don't know what the scrubby sponges things are called that I wash my face with. Where did I buy them? I know I've bought them here. I'm gonna have to think on this one. Wonder where face wash is. Maybe it'd be there. I still haven't found the scrubby things, but I need to get some shampoo. My shampoo is making me itch, so I'm looking for another swab. Moroccan oil. That sounds good. Or this one. I think I'll go for this one. It's only $1.98. It's hard to decide. There's a few people here today. I gave up looking for the face scrubby things. So I got some toilet paper. Now I have to figure out what to buy to eat. I don't know what to buy. I'll figure something out. I think I've come up with some good stuff. I'm looking for Cheez-Its for my son. Whenever there's a blizzard, he tends to hang out. He's just a good kid. And I bought something sweet to give to the lady that invited me to the Oscar party, because I know she has a horrible sweet tooth. Oh, and look, this is how busy it is. No, I think it's actually busier today, because I have ran into several people and just heard that there's not one blizzard, but right behind it is another blizzard. It's like, oh well, it's winter. I think I'll make pajama bottoms. Oh well, I'm back. And I waited in line as much as always. Not. There was nobody in line. Well, I was not happy, but I had to buy 1% milk because all the 2% milk was gone. Breakfast drinks, and then I got the potatoes I like. Some shake and bake is for chicken, but I'm using pork chops. More coffee just in case. Tomato sauce, I'm going to make meatloaf. And I bought this for my neighbor. They're mini eclairs to say thank you. I sent some Cheez-Its. I got some raw sugar. And then I decided on this shampoo. Just to break it up. I got pork chops, and then, you know those boneless, skinless chicken thighs I like. Some bacon. I feel like a BLT. Some hamburger for the, I think it's the better hamburger. I can't see. Avocados. 3 of them. And I hope they write. I don't know, maybe there's a trick I can figure out, like on the internet. So that's it. That's all I bought. And it's more than, I think, enough food to get me through 2 more blizzards. I have to run out again because I need to do something. So I need to put this away. Grab something to eat. Oh, and it's just a watery mess outside. Giant piles of water. You have to... I almost got wet because I was driving with my window half open because it's warm out. At least for me it is. I mean, my ears are cold, but I like cool weather. If it's above 0, I am a happy girl. If it's above freezing, then hey, okay. And it's above freezing, obviously, today because the snow is melting. I hope we get 1 more good day of sunshine, and that will dry out the roads. Because, like, if it snowed tonight and the temperature dropped, it'd just be a horrible sheet of ice. Well, I'm gonna put my groceries away, and then do some more running around. I just went to another grocery store that was totally 180, freaked me out. But I got a couple things that somebody asked me to get. I'm always happy to go shopping for my ladies, my group of ladies I hang with. Because they have gone shopping for me 1 zillion times when I haven't been able to get out. That's why I love Walmart. I hope it never gets busy. Because I'm not, you know, there's nobody there. I love shopping there. When you have trouble shopping, you know, because of anxiety, my Walmart is the best place. Well, I figured as long as we were out, I would stop at Ross on the way home. I'm home. I went to Ross. I want to buy the sweater, so I bought it. It's a, I don't know, it's kind of just a fuzzy sweater. And it was $11.99. And I've wanted to buy it a couple times. It's just a long sleeve. I'm just going to wear it to run around the house. And it's got like little silver things in it. And then I bought just 2 pairs of cheap tights because I did leggings. I don't know, what do you call these? $7.99 a piece. I destroyed one of them, and then the ones I have on are too baggy. I don't know. It's like I'm losing weight, but I don't know how. Oh, I want to give a shout out to Marcy. I hope you feel better. I just kind of like glanced at a bunch of videos this morning. Today is Tuesday, not Monday. I normally film on Monday, but had to deal with the dentist. That's why I spent the rest of the day in bed and watch movies. Let's see, what did I watch? I watched The Truman Show again. I don't know why I was in the mood to watch it, so I watched it. It was good. The Walking Dead. And if they don't do something more exciting, I'll probably be not watching The Walking Dead. This episode's at least, I don't know, I was going to say better, but it's not. And then I watched American Sniper. Kind of a hard movie to watch. It's pretty brutal, but all in all, it was good. So I'm not sure what's up next. Well, got my sweater on. It's gonna be my blizzard sweater. I'm not that crazy about sweaters, but every now and then one catches my eye. See, I'm heating up some coffee because, again, today's Tuesday and I have to get on the internet. I have, several tons. Yeah, I think that'd be a good way. Several tons of work to do. And comment and watch some of you guys' video in between. Oh, the roses are getting kind of wilty. It's probably because of the dramatic temperature changes in this house, because it goes from warmer to very cold at night. But the cold at night, I think, it wouldn't bother them. So I'm gonna put some honey in my coffee. I have those pigs in the blanket to eat, because I went up and talked to Jerry. I gave him a breakfast burrito, and him and I had a long talk. See, he needs to take it's like Prozac, because he gets very frustrated with what the disabilities he has due to the stroke that he suffered. Poor man. You know, I thought he was way older than I am, and he's way younger. Stroke, I guess, can do you in. And I could tell that he actually was listening to me this time, because when to distract him, his mind from he has some problems. He will pace, and that allows him to think better. When I first moved into the neighborhood, I called him Mr. Shuffle Off to Buffalo, because he had just had the stroke and he was shuffling. And to talk to him, I wanted to get to know him, just introduce myself. I had to shuffle with him. But like I've said, he's my kooky neighbor that I just adore. So let's just hope Jerry stays on it. He just gets really badly anxiety ridden. And there are times where his next door neighbor has come down and gotten me. It's a bummer, Bill. Well, I'm probably going to end this. Love the sweater, like I said. It's all nice and soft inside, so it's not itchy or anything. And I'm going to call it my blizzard sweater. I'll end up sleeping in it if it's cold. I'll just wear it. Yeah, I like cuddly things, so works. Well, thanks for everybody for subscribing. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Oh, except I'm down one subscriber. I banned Danny. He said something about some comment I made, and I said, nope, my channel banned. It took me a long time to figure out how to ban somebody, because I do not believe in censorship, and I don't know. So I'm down one subscriber. Oh well, too bad for him. Well, I love you guys, and you guys take care. And if there's a blizzard coming your way, good luck. It's winter. It's just what we have to get through. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.